Hi there, and welcome to this short video having a look at the product library in more detail. As you can see, you can actually drill into different asset classes directly from here, such as commodities, currencies, indices, shares and treasuries, or you can simply type in the name of the product that you're looking for right here. As you can see, you've then got the product name, you've got the real-time percentage change for the day, the points change for the day, and the ability to launch sell or buy order tickets directly from here. If you look at this icon, it will launch a context menu, which will give you access to a whole host of other different features related to this individual product. What I also quite like to do with the product library is more than just an ability to search for individual products. I also like to utilize it as a market scanner. So if I select cash products for a second and then go to shares and then say select the UK market, you'll be able to then see that these products are updating obviously in real time. If I then utilize the sort icon next to performance, I'll be able to see the worst performers and the best performers of the day with just a click of a mouse. Another thing I quite like about this is it's not just daily performance. If I switch that to say 3 months, for example, I'll be able to see that exact same configuration, but this time it'll be price performance over a 3-month period. Again, I can see the worst performers and the best performers. When I'm actually in this mode, I'll also be able to see performance and also volatility. Now what volatility does is it looks at the closing price relative to the average price over the time frame that you're looking at, and if there's a lot of deviation from the average price, then the volatility figures will be higher. If the closing prices are quite close to the average price, that means that obviously the product's a lot stabler, then your volatility levels will be much lower. So you can see that some of these products here have got incredibly low volatility levels, whereas some of them have got slightly higher ones. And the ones that are higher, if you're a day trader, will be a little bit better. The ones with lower volatility means they're slightly more stable, and depending on the type of trading that you're looking to do, that might be exactly what you're after. It's also possible from here to look at all the other different asset classes as well. So I'm going to go ahead and have a look at commodities, again selecting cash, and this time I'm going to look at a year period, and we are going to be able to utilize these different sections down here to drill into performance and volatility. So you can either sort directly from here, or you can utilize this area. So if I just scroll this to the back end, I can see these are the worst performers over the year. And again, if I just go ahead and sort that, you can see the performance like so. Or if I fast forward up to the top end, I can easily see the best performers. And again, I like to filter that just to see the best ones there. You can see that coffee and cocoa in this particular example have been particularly good. Conversely, if we have a look at the volatility section right here, you can do exactly the same, where you can move the volatility up like so and reduce down the numbers of related products, or obviously spin the volatility down ever so slightly as well to see those products. Now, the real good thing about the product library as well is it's possible to save this as a watch list. So if I particularly like this specific section right here and that was relative to my trading, I could go ahead, click save as watch list, click save, and that is now saved as one of my favorite products in a watch list area like here. And that hopefully gives you a bit of an idea that the product library is just way more than just an ability to search for individual products. You have a whole host of other useful trading tools to take advantage of as well.